Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to all of you in the lecture of week 8 and day 4. Today our topic is sets. At the end of this lecture you will be able to describe the sets and its types. Before moving towards the exercise, first we will discuss about the types of sets. There are two types of sets: equal sets and empty sets. Equal sets: two sets A and B are equal if they contain exactly the same elements, and we will write A is equals to B. For example, if set A contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and the set B contains elements are 2, 4, 1, 3. Here all the elements of set A and B are same. As you see that 1 in set A 1, same like this in set B. Here also 1 is included. Same like this other elements are also included in set B. So therefore these sets are equal. So we can write mathematically A is equals to B. Now the other type of set is empty set. A set which contains no element is known as empty set. Means a set in which there is no element, this set is called empty set. For example, there are three sets. Set A is equals to 0, 1, 2. Now set A contains three elements, so we cannot say that A is an empty set. Now set B, which contains one element, which is 0. Therefore we cannot say that B is empty set. So set B contains only one element. Now set C. As you are seeing that in set C there is no element, so the set C is called an empty set. A set which contains no element is known as empty set. Here the set C is an empty set. Set A and B are not the empty sets. Now we will solve the practice now 3, which is, it is given that P is equals to X. P is the set X such that X is a positive integer less than 1, and Q is the set which contains only one element, which is 0. First part is list all the elements of set P or in set notation. Now set P is X such that X is a positive integer less than 10. As you know that 0 which is less than 1 and 0 is not a integer, so the set P is an empty set, and less than 0 there is a negative 1, so we cannot write the negative 1 in set P because set P contains all positive integers less than 1. Now the second part is, are P and Q are equal sets? Why? Now solution is P and Q are not equal sets because P is an empty set and Q contains an element 0. Therefore these sets are not equal sets. I hope all your concepts about the today lecture are clear. Your assignment is exercise 3A, question number 12 and question number 13.